It's my pleasure to welcome all of you to this debriefing after our third meeting of Committee on Cotton Production and Consumption, which we held today with the cotton stakeholders in the cotton textile value chain, as well as the cotton producing states. And we, in this, as all of you are aware, this is a successor committee of the erstwhile Cotton Advisory Board, and we do take inputs from the industry, trade, and Cotton Corporation of India. CMD Mr. L.K. Gupta is with me, and we finalize the progressive status of cotton balance sheet. The inputs are combined with the inputs from Ministry of Agriculture and from the states, what we get, and from the various stakeholders. What we have today finalized, I would just read out. We will, any case, be sharing with you our press release. Our total supply, which we are looking at as on the third meeting, which is a progressive provisional figure as of now, we are looking at crop size of 325.22 lakh bales, which is given by Ministry of Agriculture. Imports, we are looking at about 12 lakh bales, which combined with the opening stock, we are looking at a total supply of 398.38 lakh bales. Converted in metric tons, it comes to 6,772.46 metric tons. On the demand side, we interact with the Confederation of Indian Textile Industry, as well as Cotton Association of India, Cotton Corporation of India, and we are looking at a consumption size of 323 lakh bales, which comprises of non-MSME consumption of 204 lakh bales, MSME consumption of 103 lakh bales, and non-textile consumption based on a survey of about 16 lakh bales. The exports, as of now, seeing the trend as well as what we had estimated in November, we estimate the exports to be about 28 lakh bales and total demand size coming to 351 lakh bales. As of now, in terms of our consumption, we feel we are pretty much in very good position compared to the last in last 10 years. In 2021, we had 334 lakh bales, and this is the second highest. So we believe that industry is actually on a good path, and we look forward to better consumption statistics. With this, as of now, the balances we are looking at about 47.38 lakh bales. Now, this emanates that we had estimated initially the area to be 126.80 lakh bales in our last meeting. If all of you kind of aware, we normally put up all these figures whenever we do these meetings. We put it up in our website and we reach out and convey to our stakeholders. And since these are provisional figures, we finalize only after the closure of the crop year. We had looked at the area as 126.80 lakh hectares. There is a little no, now it is 126.80 lakh. It was earlier 129. No, last year was 129.27. But right now our production estimates against that are 325.22 lakh hectares, and the yield is coming to 436 kg per hectare. And though we have slight reduction in area and the production, but we still have enough balances, and we see that industry would be having enough of the raw material availability for the production along the textile value chain. Anything you would like to add, Mr. Gupta?
So the closing stock, the availability, which is estimated at 47.38 lakh bales, it is the average what we had prior to the COVID position. And also this year the main feature is that there is an increase in consumption against 313.63 lakh bales. Now it is 323 lakh bale, and it is the second highest consumption of that industry in the last 10 years. So this is a major feature that the Indian industry is now has fared well even before the COVID position. And as far as CCI is concerned, that the
Arrivals till date from the CCI data is already 314.96 lakh bales. So we expect that whatever we are estimating as on today basis, Ministry of Agriculture data from the state governments, we should be reaching what we have estimated for this year as 325.22 lakh bales.
two things I would like to highlight about, ma'am, the Cotton Corporation of India, to have the transparency in the trade and also to provide a better quality cotton to the industry. Two initiatives have been taken. One, that the CCI, whatever we have procured about 33 lakh bales under the minimum support price operation, and each and every bale has been under the QR code based traceability. Every bale is having the QR code whereby any buyer of our CCI cotton through the QR code can access which village it is purchased, which factory it is processed, and whom we have sold the cotton. So this will pave a way for interconnecting the raw material with the finished product. As you know that there is a demand from the buyers, they want the complete traceability, how the cotton has the raw material has been sourced, and how this process it has passed through the process, the sustainability and all those fair trade practice. So there is an increasing demand for this, all the issues from mainly from the big brands. So this has initiated this process, and I hope the industry will now, even the private trade and industry will move towards the traceability of the raw material. You know that the Xinjiang area had a problem whereby the USA, where about 90% of the China cotton is produced in Xinjiang area, had been banned because of the allegation of the forced labor. So this is a step to meet the future challenges for the textile industry. Second, you are aware that sometime back the government of India has launched the Kasturi cotton brand, and from 1st October onwards, the Geners as well as CCI has already produced and certified about 40,000 bales of Kasturi cotton, which is available to the industry for consumption. It is the certified cotton, and the protocol and the independent verification has taken place, and 90% of the share of that Kasturi cotton is of the CCI. So in the long run, that as the brands are demanding the product along with the quality certification, I think in the coming days, and the industry will be gearing up to produce and launch their brand of the Kasturi cotton. Thank you.
मैं आप लोग को एक और कुछ याद दिलाना चाहूँगी. एज़ यू आर काइंडली अवेयर, एक टेक्सटाइल एडवाइजरी ग्रुप बनाया गया जिससे कि हमारी जितनी कॉटन में टेक्सटाइल वैल्यू चेन में जितने पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं वो सब साथ में मिलकर इन द चेयरमैनशिप ऑफ इधर द ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ऑफ टेक्सटाइल्स या सेक्रेटरी टेक्सटाइल्स के साथ जितने भी इश्यूज़ हैं उस पर काफ़ी डिस्कस करते हैं. और हमारा इंटरनेशनल इंटरफेस जो लास्ट ईयर हुआ था, ICAC का प्लेनरी सेशन, 81st प्लेनरी सेशन इंडिया में ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया गया, जिसमें अराउंड 460 पार्टिसिपेंट्स 25 कंट्रीज़ से थे, और उसका आउटकम भी काफ़ी अच्छा आ रहा है. हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि आपस में हम लोग तकनीकी लेवल पे भी और स्टैटिस्टिकल लेवल पे भी काफ़ी इंटरेक्शन और कोलैबोरेशन कर सकते हैं, जो कि जितने भी कॉटन उत्पादक देश हैं उनके बीच में और कंज्यूमिंग कंट्रीज़ के बीच में ज़्यादा अच्छा डाटा शेयरिंग हो सके, जिसकी वजह से हम सोचते हैं कि हमारी पूरी कॉटन वैल्यू चेन को, जो फार्म से लेके फाइनल गुड तक है, सभी लाभान्वित होंगे, क्योंकि हमारा इंटरनेशनल कनेक्ट भी और स्ट्रॉन्ग होता जा रहा है. और ऑन द मार्केट साइड ऑल्सो इंडस्ट्री ने आपस में मिलके काफ़ी सारे इश्यूज़, काफ़ी मुद्दों को सुलझाया है. ये सब आप सबके समक्ष रख रहे हैं.